absolutely. Please, we would love to hear from you.
I just want to say one thing, but thank you for awarding me this Mighty Mother Award. But I truly believe that I think that every mother is a mighty mother. So it's not just me, it's every mother out there who takes care of every child, and kids are a hell of a lot of work. So to every mother out there, congratulations, guys. You guys are doing a fab job.
Thank you, thank you. Let's have the mascot, Kajal, and the award presented by Mr. Rajiv.
You gotta place it, you gotta face it, you gotta kick it, then chase it, defend it, and bend it, and send it into the goal. Yes, it's a goal! 20 mighty warriors out in the sun, they're gonna burn the field until the battle is won. Screaming and cheering out a million fans doing a Mexican wave. Out of the stands, there's a tension in the air, then the whistle blows. Go get it, boys! The stadium roars. You gotta be a champion, you gotta make
At this moment, I would like Mr. Samir Jain and Mr. Krishna Desai to present the CD, the music CD to Kajal as well. And the music is influenced by Brazilian bossa nova. A big round of applause for Kajal and the team.
In your veins, your every move drives the world insane. Buddy, you're a superhero, show him what you got. The world goes wild when the game is hot. With every single victory, you rewrite a page in history. Come on, brother, do the batucada.
Just a few more seconds, guys. Thank you very much. At this moment, we will be doing the media bites. We would like 2 groups for the cameras, please, and then the print press will happen later on. So there will be 3 groups. I would like this table. I'd like the table to be placed up. Everyone, please remain calm.
Get it, boys, for these awesome guys. Just make some noise. Just take it, break it, make it. You gotta score, you gotta jump, you gotta bump, you gotta go, go, go. You like it, you want it, you wanna make it to the top.
Press, media, thank you so much for your presence here. If we can remain calm and quiet, it would be very, very appreciated.
Come on, brother.
मैं बता दूं कि मैं काफ़ी टेलीविज़न देखती हूँ, लेकिन अपने चैनल बिल्कुल नहीं देखती हूँ, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर मेरा टीवी मेरे बेटे के साथ या बेटी के साथ ही होता है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई एम वाचिंग टेलीविजन व्हाटएवर दे वांट टू वॉच. So I'm not watching television. I'm not watching adult television, if that's what you're asking.
No, I'm asking कि आप बच्चों के साथ certainly बच्चों का टेलीविजन चल रहा है तो you are a part of it. You can't avoid it. आप कितना राजू देख पाती हैं या भीम देख पाती हैं?
That's what I'm telling you. I don't really get to see that much. I mean, I've not been able to follow a single show. अगर मैंने देख लिया तो देख लिया कभी कभार रात को या कुछ ऐसा है, लेकिन to follow a show is absolutely impossible. So it's TV is a chancy thing for me. Most of the time it's like if I record a show or something like that, but otherwise no.
और आपको यहाँ पर बैठ के अपने टाइम के कोई कार्टून्स याद आते हैं जब राजू या फिर भीम?
मैंने तो कार्टून्स देखे नहीं बचपन में. नहीं, मैंने seriously, I don't think we watched that much TV because we were so बचपन में I think we were all out most of the time. I don't remember sitting at home and sitting in front of a television. We used to watch in the night sometimes some TV programs, but I think बच्चों को आजकल कुछ बाहर करने के लिए है नहीं. और मैं बिल्डिंग में रहती थी तो मेरे बिल्डिंग के फ्रेंड्स थे और मैं नीचे जाती थी खेलने के लिए. और there were so many things other than electronics for us to do, and we were always encouraged to go out and do them. Today the world is different. हमारे माँ बाप, मेरी माँ हमेशा मुझे कहती थी कि बेटा नीचे जाओ खेलने के लिए. कोई मेड वेड नहीं आती थी मेरे साथ. अकेले जाते थे हम लोग खेलने के लिए, अकेले आते थे ऊपर. तो आजकल बच्चों को बोलना चाहिए नहीं, the maid has to go with you, wherever you go. The world is unsafe today. It's different. So what we did as children is not, I don't think, relevant to what our children do today. No.
काजल, हाय. ये तो थी एक फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर की बात. माइटी राजू इज अ फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर. बॉलीवुड में से कोई एक ऐसा एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस जो इससे रिजेंबल करता हो या एज अ माइटी राजू आप देखती हो?
पता नहीं, किसी के बेबी पिक्चर्स देखे नहीं है. I don't know. I think Mighty Raju is in a langot most of the time on the TV serial. As I said, मैंने किसी की baby pictures देखे नहीं हैं. But I think Mighty Raju is supposed to be something that a child relates to. मेरा बेटा ऑफिस में था तो छोटा भीम आया था वहाँ पे और आई थिंक ही गॉट लिटिल स्कैर्ड देखकर उसको, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा छोटा भीम उसने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि छोटा भीम थोड़ा सा छोटा होगा. तो थोड़ा डर गया 5 मिनट के लिए कि यू नो ये कहाँ से आया और इतना बड़ा कैसे हो गया. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द थॉट बिहाइंड माइटी राजू, दैट यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ चाइल्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई विद इट, नॉट एन अडल्ट सो मच. तो बच्चा सोचेगा कि माइटी राजू बच्चे के साइज का ही होगा, 4 साल के बच्चे के साइज का होगा.